Hello all, let's review this paper like MEG1, which is British poetry. So you have to give the RTCs for the stanzas. Ho quit the night. Here this night refers to the Knight's Tale in the Canterbury Tales, which was written by Geoffrey Chaucer, and you can give the meaning of this. And BC, I have written the D, which I have attempted, saying that the lamb is by the author William Blake. He says about this little lamb, like who created, like the little lamb was created by God and all. And when it comes to the second question, it says about English Renaissance literature, like the period between 1550 to 1660, like how it got shaped through the role of court and the basic understanding of yours in that particular period with respect to the English Renaissance literature. And here the third question that goes here is conceit, and how this Donne's poems explain it. Like John Donne is the metaphysical poet, and he has this metaphors, similes related to it. But when it says conceit, it means comparison of dissimilar things. And the other question that goes here is primary influences of main literary sources to be found in Milton's early poetic works. Next one is the great poetry, which is considered to the satire with reference to that Mac Fleckney, and the uniqueness of Byron and Shelley as poets. Byron, who have written Beppo and other Prisoner of Chillon, all these books, and Shelley, P.B. Shelley, have written many books, including The Triumph of Life, which like in his last stage. And next one are the songs of innocence and the songs of experience as contrary states of the human soul. And next thing is Yeats poetry related to its magic and symbolism. Yeats poetry, you can also refer his Easter 1916, like how it got freedom from Britain, like. And then Dylan Thomas imagery with reference to the poets that you have studied and understood, so you have to write your own notes.